Hi, this is Dan Hamilton with the Hamilton Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker in Palm Desert, California. It's Monday, November 1st, and this is the Monday Minute, your weekly update on the local Palm Springs real estate market. I think we've entered into a mode where we are getting fairly consistent in the numbers and stats that we're seeing every week, and let's have a look at them. Our new listings this week were up 12.6% to 339. So we're seeing that new listing activity remain fairly constant, but it's well below the average of about 425 new listings we were seeing earlier in the year. Inventory now is down 3.4% to 916 homes available for sale. Interesting, the low point was about 679 homes for sale in mid-June, so we're still well above that. So let's look at what's been happening with inventory and new listings since earlier in the year. And you can clearly see that the inventory dropped to 679 homes mid-June, and inventory has been recovering slightly each week as we move into the end of the year. The blue line is though the new listings, and you can see the new listing activity though has declined slightly a bit and then leveled off later on, but we're still seeing that slight increase in inventory as we come into the conclusion of our year. Let's look at our new escrow activity. That's up 14.8% to 210 new escrows, still well below the 275 a week average we were seeing earlier in the year. Our closed transactions were down 2.9% to 246. Again, as usual, those are trending right along behind the new escrow activity. Most of our escrows these days we're seeing coming to completion, and we're not seeing too many escrows being canceled. Our price reductions were up 6.5% to 115. Those numbers staying fairly constant over the last several weeks. Finally, our average selling price this week was up 2.8% to $628,954. That number is staying just a little above where we were back in the February-March timeframe, but we are not seeing the rapid increase we were seeing prior. Let's look at just the trends from earlier in the year till now, and you can see we've had a little bit of bump up in the pricing, but we're not seeing that 20-30% year-over-year price increase like we have been seeing in the past. So that pressure on the prices, while it's still upward a bit, it's not as rapid as we were seeing in the past. It's still a great market for sellers, where inventory is still way below normal. So if you're thinking about selling, call me, 760-625-7229. Let me show you how we position our homes in this market to get exposure to the most buyers and get you the best possible price. If you're looking for a home, start your search on our website, www.thehamiltonregroup.com. We've got a really good website search there I think you'll find very useful. And of course, if you want to find all the charts that go with this update, as usual, you'll find them online at www.themondayminute.com. So thanks for joining me. Come back every week for the Monday Minute.